Have you ever wondered why your iPhone says made in India instead of made in China? Well, this week, US President Donald Trump just threw Apple into the spotlight. Again. Why? Because Apple is building more iPhones in India and Trump is not happy about it. Let's break down this trending tech drama and learn some powerful English vocabulary along the way. During a recent event in Qatar, Trump took aim at Apple CEO Tim Cook. He said, and I quote, I had a little problem with Tim. He's building a lot of stuff in India. I want it built here, in America. Trump called India a high tariff nation and insisted Apple should bring its factories back to the US. But here's the full story. Apple has been shifting some of its iPhone production from China to India and Vietnam, mainly to avoid US China trade tensions and reduce risks. And it's working. India is becoming a key manufacturing hub. Apple now makes over $22 billion worth of iPhones in India every year, through companies like Foxconn, Tata, and Pegatron S. But why is Trump so upset? He wants American companies to invest only in America, to create jobs and protect the US economy. But moving production back to the USK, not so easy. Analysts say if Apple made iPhones only in America, prices could triple. Imagine paying over 30 for your next iPhone. Despite Trump's criticism, Apple has told the Indian government, don't worry, we're here to stay. India has become essential to Apple's long-term strategy, and India's zero tariff offers make it even more attractive for tech giants. So, what do you think? Is Trump right to push for American-made iPhones, or is Apple smarter for expanding in India? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more stories where you learn English with the world around you. Until next time, stay curious, stay sharp. This is Vocab Tales